morning, it's your boy PokeDom, aka Thrifty McShifty, Hunter McToy Finder, the Yorkshire Picker, out here in the utopia that is Yorkshire, looking to do some picking and flipping, some thrifting and shifting. Let's see what we can find today. Mel's here. My man Mel, make a beeline. Make a beeline for Mel. Morning Mel.
Oh, yeah.
How you doing, you alright? A bit what? Oh yeah. You brought me some new stuff. Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Killers and thrillers. This is my pile here, Mel.
What?
This is my pile here. Can I pinch a box or a bag? Oh, lovely. Cheers, Mel. Onwards and upwards. Mucha lucha. I didn't even look that one up. Mucha lucha. Got any Transformers?
Got some Pokemon if you're looking.
Have you? Oh, I'll have a look, yeah. That one's fake. That one's fake. That one's fake. That one's real. So them two are real.
These are two are fake.
That's fake. That one as well. Fake. That one's a real one, I think. Fake and a fake. All there. Fake. Real. Real. Fake. 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 Real. Bit Barry on. Nice. Oh, look at that. Apollo flight decals. Apollo patches. Apollo patches. That's pretty cool. Wow, boys. Ooh. Ooh. Piece of candy. Ooh, piece of candy.
Ooh, a piece of candy. Ooh, a piece of candy.
Oh. Computer says no.
Oh.
Probably worth getting just for the case, to be fair. He's already shown me these. Top shelf prices. Nath, are these still top shelf prices, these dolls?
Yeah.
Are they? Yeah? Top shelf price.
I'll give you a ball for 120.
Oh, what? All that's in that box?
I know what this one's about. There's 3.
You've left
All
your
right.
shoe, mate.
2 there. Oh, bloody hell.
Last Jedi. Rogue One's pretty cool poster. Nobody likes the Last Jedi. Sukida. Benjamin. 6 second air. That's 6, 7.
Unless, of course, somebody comes up with 6-minute abs, then you're in trouble, huh?
No! No, not 6. I said 7.
7 little chipmunks twirling on the branch. Warner Brothers. $9.81. Curious. It's okay. I'll take him.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're recording.
Let me see here. Bring in the LED.
And we are back inside the treasure trove, guys. We're going to take a good look at all the wonderful things that we found today. But before we do, if I could ask you very quickly, very kindly, to give the video a little thumbs up, down, that side. Yeah, just give it a little thumbs up. I'll wait whilst you do. Have you done it? Nice. If you've not yet as well, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Oh, and a quick word from our sponsor today. Boom. Monster Mango Loco is perhaps the juiciest, the nicest, the tastiest, and most tangible. That's not the right word. And now, a quick word from our sponsor. Monster Mango Loco Juiced is perhaps the tastiest, the most delectable, the most zestiest energy drink available to you good human beings at this point in history. It's tangy, it's tasty. It's probably never seen a mango before, if we're honest. Probably packed full of yummy chemicals. But but it tastes so good. Obesity never tasted so good. Monster Mango Loco. So, these are the wonderful things that we found today, in no particular order. There are also going to be a couple of bits tagged onto the end that I picked up from Charity Shop and that I missed off last week's video as well, so stick around for those. Mucha Lucha! Game Boy Advance Mucha Lucha, not sure if that's pronounced right. 2 copies of that sealed from our good old boyfriend. Good old boyfriend? He's not my boyfriend. Our good old friend Mel. Marvellous Mel. Not sure on the prices on those, they seem to vary heavily, but the sealed Game Boy Advance games from a good long while ago, nearly almost 20 years ago, so you've got to pick those up. We also got 3 copies of Bass Bass Monster Bass Fishing Bass.
Wicked! Follow me. Wicked now, wicked! We got the chicken, we like the chicken. We got the chicken, we're kin, I'm rocking and I'm flicking. We got with the A to the L to the I to the G. Ali G, that's me, that's me.
Not bass. Monster Bass Fishing. 3 sealed copies of that as well. Very nice. He did have tons and tons of games with him, but I tend to just go for the sealed ones unless it's something really exceptional. He had lots of copies of V Rally for the PlayStation 1. All looked unused, but they weren't in the cellophane, so there wasn't much in them. Still, great resources if you were to have a stall somewhere. 2 copies, not sealed, but I did make an exception because this seems to be quite a valuable game. Black Belt Challenge. Sort of animated fighting game. The boxes are not terribly good, a little bit rough around the edges, but that one seems to have a good resale price. What else did we get from Mel? Well, we got from Mel 3 copies of the Steelbook Transformers Ultimate Edition, the movie. It's the first animated movie, I think. You know, the one where they killed off Optimus Prime and all the kids cried.
Prime, you can't die.
Do not grieve. Soon I shall be one with the Matrix.
That one. We've had this before from him. I can't remember how much I resell it for. I think it's around £20. Also from Mel, and the best of the best of the lot. I ended up actually going back to him and giving him some more money and telling him about this DVD, telling him if he finds some more, keep them for me, because this box set is incredible. Transformers Takara Ultimate Collection, is it called? Oh, it's the complete Takara collection, featuring all 3 Takara volumes and exclusive Zone episode. So it's got the Headmasters one, we've got that separately before. Super God Master Force and Victory. So there's 3 series, I presume. I think there's 13 discs. That's right, 13 discs. Still in the cellophane. You guys will not believe how much this sells for.
Drum roll, please.
So just throw up a comp here. No, of that. Comp. Left is right and right is left. Comp. Shock value. crazy. So I'm really hopeful that Mel's got a good number of that for obvious reasons. He said that he's definitely got at least a few more copies of it. So yeah, going to compensate him for them healthily without, you know, without making it difficult for myself. The thing is, he doesn't mind as well, because I'm very honest and open with him. For example, the sealed Tony Hawk games that I got from him, I said I'm going to send them off for grading melt and I'll let you know what they sell for and then I'll reimburse you. And that'll be the same deal with that. Sticking with Transformers, we got a huge stack of the modern-ish comics from around the time that the Michael Bay movies came out, 2007 onwards I think they are, 2008. There's a huge stack of them. Paid £5 for them. I've not actually managed to look them up yet, I've not had time. There's none of the free gifts with them that I can see. Surely at least one or two of them will be quite desirable. I imagine there's people out there that collect them that have not got certain issues. There sort of seems to be 5 or 6 issues in each pack. Yeah, I'll look those up. I might throw some comps up if we can find any copies. I browsed and just couldn't seem to see any. I think it's because it's maybe a magazine rather than a comic book. What else we got? Dollies. Do you like dollies? Bought these from my good friend Nath Hutch, does house clearances. I had seen them before, he sent me images of them before on WhatsApp or something similar. They're Living Dead dolls. And when he sent me the pictures before, I wasn't particularly interested. I just looked and thought, well, they're not my kind of thing. But he had them with him today, and I looked them up using the barcode on the eBay app rather than just looking via word searches. That's not even the right, yeah, this one seems to be around £100, I think. This one too, Sweet 16 Party, Tina Pink, again seems to be somewhere around £100. Toy Soldier, that one seems to sell for around 40, I think. And then these 3 also from Nath Hutch in the same deal as the Living Dead dolls. We got some pretty rare Funkos. Sadly, the packaging is not perfect. They've been bumped around a little bit. Might try and give them a wipe down, but I know pop collectors are very, very particular. But this one seems to be quite rare.
But wait, there's more.
Trick or Treat Sam, and then Billy from Saw. Again, seems about the same sort of rarity and value. Not sure what I'll get for those, you know, taking into account the condition of the boxes. But for the 3 dolls that I just showed you and the 3 pops, I paid $120 all in. So there's definitely a profit to be made on those. Oh, Nathan also threw in as a bit of a deal sweetener these Rogue One cinema posters. They're not perfect. There's 3 of them and they look like they do sell around £10, but again, like I said, they're not perfect. They've slightly warped and got a couple of little dints here and there, so don't know. We'll try to sell them. We might just give those away. Empty Spyro Xbox case, Hero's Tale. It's got the instructions in there, but no disc. But I presume that there's someone out there that will want that. Don't know what the comps are. Well, have a look. So, a couple of things that I forgot to show you on last week's video was this stack of Lego PC games. Can't remember what year they're from. 1998, that one. Lego Loco, Lego Chess, Lego Island 2. I don't think the correct discs are in all of them, or there might be an extra disc in the odd one. Lego Creator, which has got Racers 2 in, oh, as well as Creator there. And then this one doesn't have a cover, but Lego Island. There's also 2 discs in that one. Lego Island and Lego Rock Raiders. Disc only. I paid £5 for the stack, and I'd seen already that just one of them was easily worth the £5, so we might put those on as a bundle. We might see if there's any that are of exceptional value. I don't know. We'll find out something to do with those. Also on last week's vid, we picked these up, and I forgot to show them, I think, in the bottom of my bag. We've got a Double Dragon. I think that's a Double Dragon figure. Can't remember who they're made by. That's supposed to light up. I think I paid 20p each for them, so they really just probably end up going in a toy box and getting thrown in an auction job lot pile at some point. Corpse Guy, Leonard Corpse, Space Corpse Guy. The man, the myth, the legend that is Jimmy Hoffa. That's not his name.
That's not my name. That's not my name.
Dustin Hoffman.
Right? Wrong.
Still not his name. King Koopa from Mario. What's his name? Dennis Hopper. That's his name. Jimmy Hoffa. Dennis Hopper. And I really like this one. Man-Bat. I think it's Kenner animated Batman. I think, just at a glance. Oh no, it's Mattel. It's definitely Batman. It says DC Comics on it. Doesn't seem to have a year. And I've just realised Those are from last week, which I was supposed to save until the end, but I've still got things from this week to show you that I forgot about. Boss Hog, 1981. I thought it was Penguin. He's not, it's Boss Hog. Missing his hat, missing his cigar. We got a collection of Magic Roundabout figurines. Not figures, but figurines. Made by Danot. How do you pronounce that? No year on them either. So I can't quite work those out. But I did find some results on them. The cow, I think, is missing a tail. Either that or it's just a very strange... very strange feature that it's got a I think it's definitely missing a tail. It's not one of those. It's not an anus. Little girl from Magic Roundabout, don't know her name. Bunny Rabbit from Magic Roundabout, don't know his name. Snail from Magic Roundabout, also don't know his name. Italian waiter from Magic Roundabout. Zebedee. He's Zebedee, right? He's got something around his neck. Springy guy, Zebedee. And then Nutcracker toy soldier guy from Magic Roundabout. From what I've seen, could probably job lot those for easily £30, maybe a little bit more. Paid £5 for the lot. He-Man, not He-Man, also known as Fake Man. I think he's a Remco bootleg. Galaxy Guardians of Galaxy Warriors. Yeah, he's one of those. It's cool. I like him. I'm not gonna lie, I do like those figures. Didn't buy that. My main man, Meat Feast Joe, gave that to me as a little gift. So he's not for sale. You might go with it. Proper He-Man. You can go up there with actual He-Man. Laser Fist He-Man. Laser Punch. That He-Man over there, you can go there with him. So I think that's it for what we found. I don't want to miss anything like I did last week, but there's these two items that I grabbed from charity shop during the week, which I will show you now. Eat My Shorts. It's Bart Simpson. Giant Bart Simpson, made by Acme. He's sort of a plush, but not a plush. His head's hard, the rest of him's plushy. It looks like something you'd win at a fairground in the 90s maybe. He's pretty cool. Paid £2 for him from a charity shop locally. It seems to be worth around 25, maybe £30. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I've got a soft spot for a plushie, don't you, Bart? He's just gonna end up in the background. What's it there? There? There's nowhere for him. Eat My Shorts. And at the same charity shop, at the same time, I got this pretty wonderful item that's over there. Now, I couldn't find any accurate comps on this. I could find 1990 Coca-Cola cooler bags, which is what it is.
Whenever there's fun, there's always Coca-Cola, yeah.
But I couldn't find any with the same colour coding. Is that the right word? Yeah, colour pattern. Colour combination? Couldn't find any that were exactly the same, yellow and pinky. It's from 1990, as I say. It has still got the tags on. Look at that. Official Coca-Cola product. Coca-Cola company authorised product. I think it's really cool. I would have probably used that to go to school when I was a kid. Almost certainly I would have used that. I don't care that it's pink and yellow. It's super cool. No pun intended on that one. Keep your cans of Coke cool in the cooler bag. It's super cool. And now, a quick word from our sponsor. Boom! Oh, turn the can properly. And now... and now, a quick word from our sponsor. Sponsor? The channel is not actually sponsored by Monster, but if you guys want to reach out, I'm down to do a deal. It's so addictive. Ooh. I can almost taste the calories. Obesity, never taste. Never can't do it. Pardon me. So that is that, guys. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've not yet, please do make sure you subscribe to the channel. Maybe watch another one of these videos over here. And yeah, oh, give the video a like. Peace, guys. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye bye.